Hello everyone, back in the channel. So yesterday I found a new bike for the project, so we're going now to pick up the bike, 2 hours driving from house. So about the bike you will see it later, but the bike has few scratches on the fairings, and the bad thing is there is the sound from the clutch, but the owner sent me the video.
Press the clutch, release it, you hear it.
So when you release the clutch, there is the sound, but when you press the clutch, the sound stopped. So probably there is the problem with the release bearing or something like that. So nothing very expensive. So yeah, let's go there and you will see the bike soon. The one is here. I just bought the vignette. It's like 10 euros for those roads. So let's go there. Hope so the owner will be okay with the filming. We just arrived. So it's from Denmark, right? Okay. I'll just... It's from some kind of auction or how you?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
On insurance.
Oh yeah.
What you do this video?
I just rebuild and something like that, just for YouTube. Alright, looks everything is fine, few things, but let's do the paperwork. That's it, the bike is bought. As you can see, Yamaha R1, so looks everything fine with the clutch, so just the bearing or something like that. What can I tell? Another bike, another project. Should be alright. Alright, so the bike is back in the house, so I will just clean the bike and then I will show you what kind of damages the bike has. So let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, so the bike is cleaned and I will show you now the damages for the bike. So as you can see, here are the scratches for frame, but it's small scratches, so should be easy to paint and that's it. The side fairing is scratched as well here, so we'll need to repaint all the fairing. So front looks good. The other side, so what I notice here, the other side is scratched as well on the front. The middle part is scratched, and the bottom fairing is completely scratched, and it's even broken here and here. So probably I will need to buy a new one, bottom fairing. This cover is scratched as well, so but it's easy, I think, to change that cover. And from the back, here is only the small scratches on the tail, so that's it. From the visual damages, exhaust looks really good, devil exhaust, and yeah, the good things about the bike: the rear tire is completely new, looks like the rear sprocket is new, the chain is new, probably the front sprocket is changed as well, so you usually change both of them in one time. And yeah, the front tire is completely new as well, you can even see those things. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, I will load in the bike in the van and I will go to the registration place. So the bike is from Denmark, so I need to register in Latvia the bike, so hope so everything is alright with the documents, so should be. So alright, let's go there. Alright, so we are here where they are doing registration for the motorcycles. So here I have Denmark registration papers. So Yamaha R1 2006. So let's go inside and hope everything will be alright. So we're back from the registration, so 78 euros per year. There was the road taxes and something like that. So yeah, all good with the registration from Denmark. So let's go home and let's start working on with the bike. Registration is done, so now I will start remove broken parts, side fairings, bottom fairing, and yeah, let's start with this side. After that I will need to give the fairings for painting and still need to make sure what's going on with the clutch, and yeah, that's after the fairing. So let's start to remove the broken, damaged parts. Those Yamaha screws are really good, just one click and the screw is removed really good and fast. Very nice, very nice. That's it. What can we see? This fairing was red before, looks like all inside is red, so probably it was repainted before. done. Alright, this one is removed. I just need to separate those ones. One is really good, other I need to paint. Alright, so the fairings are removed. Basically, those ones are good, and so I just need to repaint it two sides, and this one I will need new one. I found another thing. So here the plastics are not good. The both sides are cracked. The paint is cracked, like here as well. So here as well. So I will just remove the back fairing as well. I just realized that the back headlight I will need to change as well, so it's without e-markers and it's not light, I would say, so I will need to change that as well. So what's going on with those wires? I need to remove them, so I'm able to remove this one. Finally. Alright, that's it. All the damaged parts are removed from the bike, so the fairings waiting for the painting, and already bought from the eBay the rear headlight. So yeah, now I'm just waiting for the parts. Just received the stickers for fairings, so Yamaha stickers for bottom fairing for both sides, and Yamaha R1 sticker both sides. So that's it, guys, for part 1. So now I'm just waiting for rear headlight and for fairings when they will be ready from painting, and yeah, still need to make sure what's going on with the clutch, and that's it. Part 2 will be when I will receive the parts, and yeah, then I will rebuild the bike. I'll go to the MOT for inspection, and that's it. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.